Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking session today. Today what we're preparing is a nice fried corn mutton and potato. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Um, what we're looking at here is one pepper, one clove of garlic, and about half of an onion already chopped up and good to go. So our oil is pretty much hot already. So we're gonna go ahead and start frying this up. Our mutton is a nice delicious meal after fried up with potato. Will work well with dal and rice. You can also use it with roti as well. It's a favorite dish used by many Caribbean people. So we're gonna let this fry up a little. We're gonna use medium heat just so that we don't burn it. And we're gonna go ahead and add our potato. That's about half of a potato. Gonna just add a bit of black pepper. Not too much, just a little. So adds a good flavor to it. We're gonna add a little bit of a salt. This adds good flavor to it as well. You can add a little bit of parsley flakes. Smells yummy already. We're now gonna go ahead and add a bit of water just to boil the potato. We're gonna cover this and let it sit like for 2 to 3 minutes so it could boil. Hi guys, welcome back. So here we go. The potato would have boiled here for at least 5 minutes. This is good to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our corn mutton. Nice corn mutton. So we're gonna go ahead and fry this now. So we're gonna let this fry for 2-3 minutes. So guys, we would have fried this up for 2-3 minutes. It's good to go now, as you can see. Smells yummy, all delicious and ready to go. So thank you for watching another video again. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos. Thank you and have a good night. Bye.